All right, let's start this tractor. Come on, start already. Ugh, why won't it start? Ah, this is ridiculous. I give up. All right, let's get this battery in. There, all connected. Time to start this thing up. Yes, it's running. Okay, off to the field we go. Time to load up this trolley with grain. All full, heading back now. Let's get this trolley to the farmhouse. Almost there, just a bit more. Time to empty this out now. One sack down, more to go. All right, let's get to the tractor. Time to plow this field. Here we go, full speed ahead. Wow, the crops have grown so much. The green fields look so beautiful. I'm so happy seeing all this. Look, the monkey is on the tractor. Now it's jumping off, running to the stable. It's going to the horse stable to find some clothes. Ah, my stomach is itchy. I need to scratch. Now to put on my favorite red t-shirt. It fits perfectly. Time for the matching cap. How do I look? Pretty stylish, right?
कॉलर पकड़ ली ना डरायो को देख तो ले ले
ले ले थारा डरा आयो
Time to go to the jungle! There's the horse! Time to ride! Gotcha! Hold on tight! Whee! This is fun! Giddy up, horsey!
The monkey sees the car is stuck in the mud. He climbs into the JCB excavator. He pulls the car out with the machine. Got the car out! Now, to the farmhouse! Mark it down there! Hey, look! A monkey driving! Shotgun! So fantastic! So funny! Woohoo!